have been desiring to practice quantum leaping to cleanse some of your karmic debts or astral project, baby, this is your time to shine, because we have the Lionsgate portal peaking on August 8th. 8-8. The Lionsgate portal occurs when our sun in Leo aligns with the star Sirius, Orion's Belt, and the earth to create this beautiful portal of manifestation and cleansing. Now, the beautiful thing about this alignment is that the sun is our connection between our highest divine self and highest divine source. Leo is a fixed fire sign that is ruled by the sun. Anytime we have the sun in Leo, we naturally feel more confidence, more passion, an increase in our leadership abilities. Now, the star Sirius is known as the brightest star in the sky. It is believed that the ancient Egyptians used the star Sirius as a guide, a method to tell time. Sometimes it's even called the spiritual sun. When we have this alignment with the sun in Leo and the star Sirius, we naturally feel an increase in our spiritual connection. Spiritual communication and guidance also becomes much easier. Now, Orion's Belt is known as the birthplace of stars. It is believed that the pyramids in ancient Egypt is actually aligned with Orion's Belt. Orion's Belt symbolizes rebirth as well as purification and cleansing and warrior energy. When we have the sun in Leo, the star Sirius, and Orion's Belt all aligned, we open up a master portal, an opportunity for us to cleanse our karmic debts, to practice some quantum leaping with that divine guidance, as well as astral projection with that increase of spiritual communication. Now, the peak day for this Lionsgate portal is August 8th, 8-8. 8 is a number that symbolizes infinite energy. It also symbolizes karma as well as abundance and manifestation. We have to keep in mind that karma is not a negative thing. It is simply dealing in the cycle, the circulation, and reciprocity of energy. But if you desire to cleanse your karma, if you desire to work on your karma, there are multiple things you can do. To cleanse your karma, you need to first take accountability for it. Then you can transmute the energy of your karma by taking the lessons from your karma and teaching it to others, making these lessons beneficial to the universe, really as a way to cleanse the energy and transmute the energy. And lastly, to transcend your karma, you can do this by meditating consistently and moving through the karma in the spiritual realm. And it is much easier to do this during this time because the veil is thin due to this alignment. Of course, I'm going to offer you all some journal prompts to help push your thinking and utilize all of this energy for your wellness. Be sure to screenshot these. And these are some crystals and herbs that can help you with your astral projection as well as your quantum leaping. Now, keep in mind that this Lionsgate portal peaks on August 8th, but the energy lasts until August 12th. We also have a full moon in Aquarius peaking on August 9th, which is going to intensify all of this energy. Do not feel rushed or even feel forced to do all of these things. Really tap into your spirit, tap into your Ori, as well as your spirit guide energy, and do what is aligned with you, what you are feeling called to do right now. And it's okay to say, none of it, I just want to be. That is absolutely all right. But if you feel led to do the quantum leaping, astral projecting, or karmic work, definitely set your intentions, move in wellness, and enjoy this Lionsgate portal. Much peace, y'all.